Okay, who has my app? Oh, did you know me and Alex were related, literally?
Are you even allowed to wear those?
Okay, we gotta go.
I've worn it. I've worn it one day.
Well, unlike me. Unlike me.
Didn't when you wore that, you cracked really bad?
Yeah, that was in the stands, though. I never cracked during the show. Actually, I take that back. I cracked 2 Fridays ago.
On your solo?
No, it was during Bad Guy.
Do it. Solo couple times.
Shut up.
And I have a recording of it.
Yeah. Get smart, hurry, get smart. Scoot up, y'all. Get in line right here, Jake. A little bit more, Alex. Actually, hold on. Okay, scoot back. One more step, Alex. There you go. Where's Jacob? I think he put this thing on recording.
This is Japanese radio.
Halftime show pregame. I texted the group chat about that a couple of days ago, and we never did it. Color Guard does it. Hold on, wait a minute. No, Gabe, you don't have to be like that. That actually shows bad sportsmanship. I am. I just making you mad. Good luck.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hi guys.
I think this is recorded. Jacob said, but let's. Wait, Joshua, do you see like a light on? You see like a light on anywhere?
See a blue light.
Good, thank you. So it is recorded. So hi guys, my name is Braxton Smith, 12th grade senior. So yeah, y'all want to say hey?
Hi, my name is Charity. I'm the color guard captain. I almost called myself the co-captain. I've been doing this for 3 years. We're about to go into halftime right now, but it's not halftime. It's the beginning of the game.
Yeah.
We're gonna make sure we have smiles and L's. Not killing ourselves, guys. Well, again, my name's Braxton, Turbo 6, your leader. Our show theme is bad. You know, I have a little solo or whatever. But yeah, we're about to get started. Good luck, guys. I just pray for all of y'all.
Horn flashes and bad folks. Horn flashes.
And lunges. Do not forget about the lunges. We forgot about the lunges earlier.
I will never forget about the one.
Does everybody have their GoPro? I only see Braxton with their GoPro.
I have mine.
What about
GoPro? That. Come here, let me see your GoPro where it's at.
This is going on my YouTube channel just to let you know.
You can take it out. I didn't say it. Stop calling me that. Stop calling me that.
You're not gonna do my son.
I don't care if he's been aggravated. I don't like that. I mean, so different. You're being disrespectful. No.
Just apologize, Jake. Just apologize.
Sorry. Twice. Braxton, camera. This is what happens when you mess with the team. And that, Braxton, you been doing the same thing, don't you?
Think I'm complicated.
What's wrong with this music today? Oh my God, Braxton on the camera.
Yeah. Let's hope I don't mess up tonight, guys. It's gonna be on my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. Point the camera the other direction. Huh? I'll do it again. I'll do it on camera. I'll do it on camera. Okay, get ready, y'all.
It's now 6:30 p.m. We are 1/2 hour away from kickoff of tonight's game between the visiting Strong Tigers and your Ashford Yellow Jackets. To our fans still entering the stadium, we encourage you to quickly make your way to your seats as we have a full slate of pregame activities in store. We get it all started right now with an exciting performance by the Ashford High School Marching Band, The Sound of the Wiregrass.
Left, right, left.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Houston County School Superintendent Mr. Brandy White and Ashford High School Principal Dr. Donnie Chambers, we proudly present for your pregame enjoyment the 2025 edition of The Sound of the Wiregrass, the Ashford High School Marching Band. This year, The Sound of the Wiregrass is walking on the wild side with our show entitled Bad. We begin our show with Michael Jackson's iconic hit song Bad, followed by Paramore's Misery Business. We feature trombonist Braxton Smith.
That's me, y'all. Feature trombonist. Turn.
With Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. The band is under the field direction of drum major Kimmy Cooper. Drum major, is your band ready? Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the sound of the Wiregrass.
Let's go, y'all.
Baxter.
Yeah, if you see this, Jacob, you not post this.
Smith, Braxton Smith, Keandre Henderson, Artsong, and Aiden Allen. Major captain is Emily Freeman, co-guard captain is Charity Lane, and co-captain is Carly Gardner. Auxiliary sponsor is Caitlin Gardner, and the director of bands at Ashford High School is Dr. Jay Snickers.
That was the most terrible run ever.
Bro, I don't know what happened, but I cracked so many notes.
No, it just felt like when I was playing my trombone, it didn't feel like my freaking trombone.